contemporary blues songs and upbeat country songs coming up, so stick around for that. Alright, well hello, I'm Donald Witt, the bass instructor of the How to Play Bass online course at iwannaplaybass.com. Jump over there, subscribe, become a member for free, get your ebook on setting your bass up for free. Once you subscribe, just download it and you'll be able to go through all the material of setting up your bass and the maintenance of your bass. So that's there free to you once you subscribe. And when you're serious about your bass playing, sign up and get well on your way to reaching your bass playing goals. And this is I Want to Play Bass, your YouTube channel for all bass guitar tips and lessons and gear reviews and stuff like that. So definitely hit that subscribe button down below and the bell notification. Get in the loop and don't miss a beat. Alright, so this is Margot Price's Hands of Time, and we're going to cover that right now. Alright. Alright, so there you have it. Margot Price's Hands of Time. New up-and-coming artist. They compare her with Loretta Lynn, the likes of Loretta Lynn and Dolly Parton. You know, solid voice on her. Country girl. Just good story behind that. And just a good song. So definitely check her out. I'll leave the link to the song down below. And then you can follow her a little bit because she's, like I say, new up-and-coming artist, blues country artist, and she's definitely got a nice voice and compared to some of the top legends of our time. So that's Margot Price. Now the bass line, kind of cool bass line. It's your typical typical country bass line, you know, the 1 and the 5 in the key of A, and it just starts on the octave here, A. The 9th fret, the 7th fret of the D string, okay? So it's just, and all it is the 1 and the 5, the A and the E. Just a little rhythm thing going on, so just get the groove and feel it like that. And it just goes to E. So that's the verse. So at the end of each verse, it does a little walk up, A, B, D sharp, back to B, then it goes to D. Goes right back to the next verse. Now at the end of that verse, it does the same thing. It walks up, does a little walk up, and it goes down to D, then it does G, A, and then here it does a little lick. So it goes, and we're getting ready to go into the chorus, and all he does is he slides to F sharp, F sharp, A, F sharp, A, slides up to C sharp, B, A, and now we're at G. We're in the chorus, and in the chorus he's playing here, and he's hitting the 1 and 5 here on the G, A to G. Then he goes to C. But he keeps doing that. The 12th fret, A, and G. But then he's just changing, he's doing the chord progression up here, C, so G, this is in the chorus, and then the C, and goes from C to G a couple times, and then when they're ending the chorus, they go to D. They don't do it on the D though, on the end they just, and then they go C, B, A, G sharp, G. And then they go for a 1 bar, they go back to A, and then they start over. And then it changes the riff right there. It's going, instead of, so it just changes that riff. But it still does the walk up, so it does. So then it comes into the verse, but the verse it changes the riff just a little bit. It does the, and then it does a. So just remember that pattern right there, because it's a copy. It's the same pattern in each spot. Because we're 1, 4, 5, you can do that dominant 7 chords. Same pattern, so it's just going to be this pattern here, the 1 and 5, right, and then we do the 5 and the 6. Just do a whole step, that from the E to F sharp to D again, to A, I'm sorry. I've been playing my 4 string, so I'm getting back to the 5 string. So that's the pattern, and it does it that same pattern on each one, on the E, on the A, E, and the D. Okay. So, and then it still does that little walk up. So he does a little licking there when you go to the A, the E part, okay? So you come out, do that little walk up to here, to D. So you see he does that little lick there, and actually that, so yeah, he does a verse again, same thing, does a verse 2 times after the chorus, chorus 2 times, chorus once. So you've got a verse 2 times, you've got a chorus, you do a little walk out of the chorus into back to the verse, you do the verse 2 times, and then you know the second riff of that verse, it's still a verse, but it's got the little bit of a different groove bass line in these next 2 verses. And then we go into the chorus again. Same thing there, chorus, and then it comes out and it does the walks right back down. We go into a verse again. So the verse is sticking with that lick there on the last verse, and then it goes to, so it's just one time on the last verse, then it comes back to a chorus. It does the chorus and it ends on the chorus. So you're doing that, and you do the chorus one time, but when you do the walk down, it does the chorus, it does that walk down again. It stays on G for a second, and it goes to D again, and then it does that actually 3 times. It walks down and finally ends. It actually just fades out. I don't think it ever ends up, but you want to end it on G. Just end it on that G. Okay? So, hope you got some value out of that. If you did, help me help you. Mash that like button. And I'll catch you all on the flip-flop in the next video. Bye for now.